things. Well, you've got the job done this weekend. What's changed here in Indonesia?
Nothing. The bike is the same. I'm the same, but for sure we put the different goals for this last race. Try to improve the Fridays. Try to improve the qualifying. And yeah, here we do a big step. Nothing. Super happy because we are working in ourselves without look at the other riders. We are super focused and we are enjoying. Also, with all the problems during the qualifying, the front tire, I did I think 18 laps in the front tire because this was my spare, but it's okay. I think starting the second position is a good opportunity for look our potential and try to enjoy.
Good luck this afternoon.
Thank you.
Ya, sebenarnya Jack Appleyard mencoba untuk mengulik apa sih yang sebenarnya berbeda dari Fermin Aldeguer, atau entah dari settingannya atau dari motornya. Dia sih mengatakan bahwa tidak ada yang berbeda sama sekali, hanya mencoba untuk fokus saja.
Saya lupa WhatsApp Fermin Aldeguer.
Kenapa?
Karena sebenarnya yang mengubah dia tampil di Indonesia. Dengan berbagai macam sponsor Indonesia.
Plus kita tahu bahwa dia fansnya banyak banget di Indonesia.
Didoakan sehingga tampil cukup bagus, ya setidaknya dia menjadi hiburan tersendiri lah.
Iya, dan ditemani juga oleh pasangannya kan tahun ini ya. Iya, tadi ada gitu kan. Pas ini memberikan semangat tersendiri juga gitu. Nah, kita dengarkan wawancara terlebih dahulu dengan MARQUEZ.
Marco, a historic fastest ever lap of this Mandalika circuit. So far this weekend, you look unbeatable. Where has this speed come from? And is that feeling of invincibility something to be frightened of going into today? How important is it to keep the focus?
Well, it's mandatory. You know, it's true that I'm quite quick, but the pace, seeing from the FP2 result, was pretty close between me and many others many other riders that are super quick. And as you know, in MotoGP, you can never relax. So I'm happy for the qualifying for sure, because it's also the grid for tomorrow, not only today. And this is important, but now we still have to do the main part of the weekend, that are the races. So yeah, let's keep ourselves focused and let's try to make our best.
Brilliant lap, well done.
Thank you very much.
Ini selalu suka nih Mas Joni kalau MARQUEZ yang berkomentar suka out of the box. Dan juga ya lucu gitu. Ya. Tadi kan ditanya seperti apa kamu bisa ini adalah sesuatu yang mandatori dia mengatakan.
Dia wajar. Saya sih mengerti kenapa dia mengatakan seperti itu saat ini, karena dia tampil di pabrikan Aprilia seorang diri. Ya. Tidak ada pendampingnya yang merupakan juara dunia yang menggunakan nomor 1 dan benar-benar jadi tumpuan. Dan kalau kita melihat sebenarnya ya hasil tahun lalu pun Aprilia di sini kan cukup luar biasa. Bagaimana seorang Maverick Vinales merayakan selebrasi dengan Batmaf. Artinya udah ada dasar atau udah basic dari Aprilia mampu untuk tampil bagus di Mandalika ini. Nah, dengan kehadiran Bezzecchi saya rasa ini bisa mematerialisasikan, mewujudkan bagaimana hasil performa Aprilia di Mandalika ini.
Oke, jadi nggak sabar untuk menyaksikan MotoGP sprintnya nanti. By the way, akan disiarkan secara langsung loh oleh Trans 7. Tapi sebelum kita menyaksikan sprintnya, Feni juga mau ngingetin bahwa setelah ini Feni Lia dan juga Mas Joni pamit. Tapi nantinya kita akan kembali lagi untuk menemani GP Mania semua untuk menyaksikan kualifikasi Moto3
dan Moto2.
Moto2 dua-duanya. Nah, GP Mania jangan kemana-mana karena setelah kami closing ini ada dokumenter spesial yang wajib banget kalian saksikan, yaitu dokumenter Sang Juara Dunia. Feni Lia pamit dan juga Mas Joni Lono Mulia. See you later.
Sampai ketemu lagi.
absolutely no stopping Marc Marquez in red. Marc Marquez is victorious here. Marc Marquez is the 2025 MotoGP World Champion. The comeback king has taken the throne once again. Sporting icons, it's the comeback to top all comebacks. Marc Marquez is the 2025 MotoGP World Champion. He has done it. Comeback loading, comeback fully loaded. And clinches his 7th MotoGP World Championship.
I did a big mistake in my career to come back too early, and then, I fight, and I won again. So I'm on pace.
His way.
Every time when I want to remember what I passed away, just I want to enjoy the moment, but it's true that was difficult, was super difficult. But in the career of an athlete, of a sportsman, of a MotoGP rider, we are taking a lot of risks. And it's normal. I mean, it's my 8th season in a MotoGP. Always I has been on the track and always taking a lot of risk to achieve my goals and to achieve the World Championship. And unfortunately, this strange season has been the most difficult for me at the moment because the injury.
4 laps to go. He's 4 laps away from securing his first ever MotoGP victory.
You know what that's like. He's going to.
Yes, well, as you say, Marc underwent surgery this morning in Barcelona with Dr. Mir and all his crew.
Yeah, of course, about the emotional side, it's hard. I mean, of course, all the injuries are the most difficult ones, the most difficult moments. Especially the last one always is the most difficult.
And the surgery was good. The doctor is happy. They proceed to put some plate, a big plate with a lot of screws. So the fixation of the fracture is completely stabilized and it's okay.
Venga, gracias. Then he's coming from a big mistake.
We all thought Bruno maybe. We even thought that might be too early, but no, here he is.
We come back too early. The doctors, especially in that case, they allowed me to, or they say to me that will be not a problem. And then was my decision. In the end, the one that takes the decision is the rider. So it was my mistake.
Marc? How you feeling?
No, I feel okay.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Are you pretty numb? Numb in the fingers?
Yeah.
I don't feel.
Can't move any. Okay.
Normal, no? Normal.
Yep. Normal. Okay.
Cannot break.
Yep.
Cannot break. Yes, tío.
All right, Mark. Is this your first time being up here?
In Rochester?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I hope my last.
Yeah. I hope so too.
The old king returns. The 8-time world champion, Marc Marquez, declared fit, and he is back. And the big question on everyone's lips, it seems, coming into this Grand Prix is how will Marc Marquez do? This is the moment, folks, you've been waiting for, whether you love him, whether you hate him. Marc Marquez 15th, he'll have to go through Q1, as will the world champion, Joan Mir. He's lost the front on the approach turn 3, and it doesn't get any faster than that. Barrel rolling, oh my goodness, through the grass and back onto the circuit again. That's big, that is big.
I did a big mistake on my career to come back too early, and then, I fight, and
washing machine treatment in the gravel.
Yeah,
3 or 4. I think he's going to be fine, yeah.
But the situation for me is just try to work in my box, in my garage, and we will see. I mean, still we are not on the conditions to try a tire, so still focus on the setup.
Oh, he's gone. Now then, that could be so crucial. Marc Marquez then, his bike barrel rolls through the gravel trap. He's quick on his feet.
He's trying to get the other bike.
That fast sector 2, he was nearly rear-ending tackle. Oh no, he's gone down again. Marc Marquez, that is game over. What's that? 2 crashes in the space of 5 minutes.
It was at the same turn as well, I think.
That was 12, I think. Marc Marquez looks to the sky. He can't believe it.
And all totally okay after the crash?
No, after the crash, okay. I was better before the crash, but not bad.
This is super fast. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in. Whoa! Wow! Oh, dearie me. Unbelievable. The rear tyre just letting go in the most spectacular fashion. That is, oh, dearie me. Wow, that is one of the biggest high sides I've seen in 25 years of covering this sport. Unbelievable. He had the big scare at turn 10 at the start of this session. Santi Hernandez can't believe it. A 4th crash of the weekend then for Marc Marquez, and this is a big one. This is a big one. Marc Marquez really slow there to get to his feet. He's just about clambered to his feet. That Repsol Honda is completely destroyed. Thankfully he's okay. He looks really unsettled, really shaken up.